Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate a bird flying in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. I have my image of my bird here and I'm just going to duplicate the image and I'm going to crop the image. I'm going to crop the wing of my image. As you can see, the original image has one wing, so I'm just going to crop it. And then I'm going to duplicate the image 2 more times. I'm going to the original image and I'm going to remove the wing. Now as the tutorial goes along, you will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. So I'm going to select one of these wings and I'm going to the picture effects under 3D rotation, and I'll go into the rotation options and I'll just rotate it a little bit. I'll rotate it a little bit on the Y and Z axis. This is how it should look when the wing is opened out as the bird is flying. I'll just adjust it a little bit and I'll select another one of these wings and I'll just rotate it the opposite direction. And I'll just line it up, and that is what we should have. And I'll bring these 2 wings to the front, and this is what we have here. So the animation is going to be very simple. These 2 wings on the front here are going to have blink animation. In the more emphasis effects tab, we click on blink. I'll do the same for this next wing. And of course they'll play with previous. And the second one will have a slight delay of 0.25 seconds, and when I go into timing, I'll change that until the end of slide. I'll let it repeat until the end of slide. And of course I can change the duration of the animation, and when we play it, this is what it should look like. That's basically the animation. If I want to let the bird fly to a certain direction, I can add a line animation. And I can let that go with previous. So that's basically the gist of the animation. So thank you for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, leave a like and a comment. Let us know what you want us to see being done on this channel. Subscribe, check out our other videos, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching.